Okay, so this is Chapter 6, Project Builder 1. I'm going to start by making a new file. Make sure we're in inches right here, and we want 6 by 6. All right, create. File, save as, new curtain. Go ahead and press OK. Now we're going to want to create a 1-inch square. So we're just going to draw a square. Right now, does mine have a stroke? So is that the square? That must be the square. I drew too small. All right, that's much better. All right, transform. Just type 1 into the width, 1 into the height. If yours says pixels, I believe you just go to File, Document Setup. Yeah, units, inches. Okay. Now, we don't want a stroke on this, so we're going to have to be very careful. We got to make sure that that thing is selected, otherwise we're not going to be able to see it. We also don't want to fill. Right now there's a white fill. Okay. So if you accidentally do deselect it, like that, all right, you can use your direct selection tool. All right, you can also press Control A. It should be the only one that's up there. Okay, so we're going to copy it. I'm going to press Control C, and then I'm going to press Control V. All right. Looks like it didn't copy. Okay. It didn't copy, so Control C, paste. Okay, good. Now we got two squares. All right. So the second one, where you need to move it into the back, I believe. Copy the square, paste in front. All right, so we'll paste this one in front, and we'll give it a green fill. Okay, so I'm a bit confused by this. It says we're gonna click the object on the menu bar. It's fine. Point to a path. Let's point to a path first. Let's try that. Object, path, and then we're going to want to add anchor points, right? Okay, and then we want to get the delete anchor point tool. This is hidden underneath the pen tool. Oh, it's the brush tool. Where's my pen tool? Delete anchor point tool. Okay, it says we want to delete the top left. All right. Top right. The left side. Right side. That I did. There we go. Must have not had it clicked on exactly the right spot. So now the square is converted to a triangle. All right, and I just realized something. I made a mistake. That square that we had before is supposed to have a blue fill. Okay, I had them both selected, so that was my mistake. Blue fill. All right, and I believe this is supposed to be in front. Arrange, bring to front. Pretty sure. Yeah. It's supposed to be in front. So we just simple fix. Okay. All right. So we need to select them both, and we need to use the move command. So object. I think it's in the object menu. I used it just a little bit ago. Yeah, it's object transform move. Okay. And what we need to do is make one to the right and make one below. Let me double check that. So areas for top. Okay. Horizontal, we're just going to choose 1 inch because I believe it was 1 inch. All right. And let's press copy. Okay, good. And now we're going to select all of them and we're going to do the move command again. Object transform move. This time we're going to do vertical 1 inch copy. So we have that. So we're going to change the color in each tile. I'll leave that one blue. Make that one yellow. Doesn't really matter. Make that red. Make that whatever that color is. And we'll make that triangle yellow. Make that triangle. Undo. Make that triangle. Let's go with the lighter blue. And I'll make this triangle. Oh, I'm in the stroke menu. Black. Oopsie doodle. Didn't have it selected. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna select everything. We're gonna double click our scale button. It's this one, right? All right, and we need to scale it to 15%. Okay. Now, I just have a feeling that this, what they're planning, is going to end up taking up the whole piece of paper. So I'm going to move that right here. Okay, maybe I'm wrong with that. We're going to open up our swatches panel, and we're just going to click and drag it in here. And new pattern, swatch 3. It doesn't really want us to name it anything. Only it wants us to name a triangle pattern. Okay. Now, what's that doing there? I don't know. Done. Okay. So now we're going to make a new triangle. Okay, what size did we make this thing? I forget. We made this thing 6x6. Okay, so I was hoping it'd be 4x4. All right, we need to transform this. This has to be 4x4 inches. Okay, and then we just that's that's what we do. We make the pattern inside the 4x4 thing. Now, if it doesn't come there, then you like, for example, if it shows up like this color, just come up here. It should be in your swatches panel somewhere, and save your work and submit it. And that's it. Thank you.